I guess the first thing that went through my mind, I was relieved that I got the score because I had been hoping to get a perfect score in practicing up to taking the test. So yeah, I guess I was relieved and happy that I got the perfect score. So I know that I want to study something along the lines of biology, biochemistry, and the like in college. I haven't decided on a specific college yet, just generally a lot of colleges on the East Coast that are good for that, plus a lot of the upper tier UCs. And I haven't really made any plans specifically like for career beyond that I know I want to study biology, biochemistry, and stuff in college. My advice for any future students who want to get a good or perfect score on the SAT would just basically be to drill as many practice problems as you can, as many full exams in one sitting as you can, so you're used to both the time and the amounts and types of questions you'll get. So by the time you come around to the actual SAT, it'll be routine by that point.